If you are looking for a great earwax remover, you're going to want to check out this BEBIRD. The brand did send me this to do this review. I'm going to walk you through everything. This is that's kind of the case, and this is everything that comes with it in here. This thing is really, really cool. These are also that comes with it. I like to keep these in the bag. So we're going to run through exactly what you get in here. So to start off, you get the metal and silicone ear tips. You get cotton swab ear tips. You get 2 of those. Plastic narrow tips, 2 of those. Round tips. You can kind of just walk through all this. This is what it all looks like right here. And then these are all the pieces as well. So really, really cool. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this. You're going to scan this QR code. It's going to open everything up. You're going to connect it to your Wi-Fi. And then what you do is you turn this on once it's connected, and you go in your ear very carefully, and then on your phone with the app, it shows you exactly what is inside your ear. It is pretty crazy what will be in there, but this works really, really well. And then you could use these tools with this to kind of get any wax out. So if you're looking for a great way to remove wax from your ears, definitely check this out.